Tired of manually holding up your Mustang hood with the factory prop rod? Upgrade to hood struts with no drilling. Our 5-minute install guide starts now. First, manually open the hood and support it with the factory prop rod. Use a ratchet wrench to loosen and remove the hood bolts. Install the new bracket in this position. Secure the mounting bracket on the other side. Use a ratchet wrench to tighten the bolts securely. Install the GASTAC hood strut onto the bracket. Repeat the same process on the other side and remove the mounting bolts. Use a marker to mark the screw positions on the paper template. Remove the screws and the paper template, then remove all the mounting screws on this cover. Use a cordless drill to drill holes at the marked points. Then use scissors to cut a slit. Secure the mounting bracket in the slot position. Install the dust cover back into place. Finally, clip the GASTAC gas spring onto the brackets to complete the installation. After installing the GASTAC hood struts, opening the hood is quick and effortless. We also produce gas springs for various car models. Contact us if you need one.